Hey, it's Danielle, and welcome to the free video. So the indexes have been pretty back and forth. We've had the whole sell in May, go away situation coming through. So I figured it was a good time to look at picking up some long-term names for my stock account. So one of the first ones that I have already started picking up is going to be Hack. This is the Cybersecurity ETF. You can see on this weekly chart that we have quite a bit of consolidation right around the $55 price point, but yet we also have a positive volume and we have a weekly squeeze. So I'm looking for that consolidation to break out to the upside, and I'm targeting a price point of about $67 and then $70. Now, the ETF is nice because the cybersecurity stocks are really volatile. And when you can just focus on the basket as a whole instead of having to trade an individual name, it's going to give you a lot of volatility. Can be a little bit easier, and it doesn't require as much intestinal fortitude. Now, if you want to trade some of the individual names, one of my favorites is going to be Cloudflare. The ticker is going to be NET. You can see on a daily chart it's been super volatile, but on a weekly chart, you can really see that consolidation. You can see the positive volume. You can see there's another earnings report coming up in August. And you can see the overall target of $100 and then $105. So $70 stock, $100 price target, not so bad. So I do like that one, and I also like CrowdStrike. You can see that again on this one, you have that weekly squeeze, you have the positive volume. Currently trading at 188 and targeting 273. So it's pretty good for some potential upside. Again, these are tickers that I wouldn't really trade right now in the options market just because they are pretty volatile. The patterns on the daily charts aren't that great. So it makes it a little bit difficult to trade on a short-term basis, but as far as long-term stock picks go, I think those are great ones to be getting in right now. So if you want to join me tomorrow, I am going to be having a live trading session in my Stack Profits Mastery program. This is going to be my options service. We have our monthly live trading tomorrow, which is going to be on the 18th. It's going to be at 1 o'clock Central. We're going to be going through earnings, in Lowe's, and a couple other key tickers, probably Target. We also have John Deere later in the week, Coal. So that's a little bit about what we're going to be trading tomorrow. You can check that out at simplertrading.com/profits. Also, want to let you know about a special sale that we're having today and a new thing that we're starting up. My earnings class was such a hit that we decided to do quarterly trading as it relates to the run into earnings. So this quarterly live trading session is going to be in June, but we're having a flash sale right now where if you sign up now, you're going to get 3 days instead of 2. So this quarterly live trading is going to focus on the run into earnings for the July earnings series. Basically, when you're trading the run into earnings, you really need to start getting in, or at least being aware of which tickers you want to get into 3 to 4 weeks prior to the reports. So the best time to be getting set up is going to be in June. So if you check that out here at simplertrading.com/quarterly, you can find this page and learn a little bit more information about what I'm going to be doing in June. Other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next one.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me